Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the model ready and the environment set. Export a TensorFlow Lite, T-Flight file because Flutter mobile apps run it efficiently. Once done, add the T-Flight Flutter plugin and T-Flight Flutter helper to PubSpec. YAML so you can load and preprocess tensors. Make sure you know the model's input shape and normalization, otherwise inference will fail. Also, quantize the model to 8-bit when possible to reduce size and speed up inference. This matters on-device for latency and battery. Now you integrate the model into your Flutter app. First, bundle the T-Flight file as an asset and declare it in PubSpec. YAML, this guarantees access at runtime. Next, instantiate the interpreter from T-Flight Flutter, allocate tensors, and bind input and output buffers that match the model's D-types and shapes. Then implement preprocessing. Resize images to the expected resolution, normalize pixels, and convert to float 32 list or uint8 list as required. Once the pipeline is wired, finish by running inference and presenting results to the user. You call interpreter. Run for multiple inputs with your prepared tensors. Measure latency to ensure performance targets. Once you have raw outputs, post-process them. Apply softmax if needed. Convert scores to percentages, and map top indices to human-readable labels. Finally, integrate results into the UI and handle threading so the UI remains responsive. If something goes wrong, check tensor shapes, D-types, and that the asset path matches PubSpec. YAML, those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.